Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. One step on today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a video on Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now, open the app and at the top of the screen, you can see For You, social media, videos, presentations, docs, etc. Tap on videos and you can see there are few templates given on your screen, or you can just simply go to the search bar and type in video and you're gonna get few templates for a video like Facebook video or YouTube video or any kind of video you want. Or you can simply go back and see the kind of template you want for like TikTok videos, Facebook videos, mobile videos, video collabs, and Pinterest video pins, video messages, etc. And guys, that's it. You just have to select the template for the videos and edit inside it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.